Don't film that part, please. Can I have a do-over? You've been studying for the Golden Horseshoe exam for a while now, and I'm coming into this cold, so you got to cut me a little slack, okay? Is that agreed?
Maybe.
No promises?
Good luck. All right, here we go.
Multiple choice. What town was the site of the first land battle of the Civil War? A. Terra Alta, B. Moundsville, C.
Philippi.
The Mothman Festival is held in which Mason County town?
Oh, wait.
It's multiple choice. A. Point Pleasant.
Point Pleasant.
It was multiple.
Okay, thank you for clarifying that.
Short answer. What nickname is West Virginia known by?
The Mountain State.
Multiple choice. Who is the first woman from West Virginia to be elected to the U.S. Congress? A. Shelley Moore Capito, B. Carol Miller, C. Elizabeth Key.
Elizabeth Key.
Multiple choice. Because of its role in the manufacture of an important iron product in the 1800s, what was Wheeling's nickname?
Iron City?
No.
Nail City.
It's Nail City.
Nail City? Wow.
Multiple choice. Which combination of activities is depicted on the West Virginia State Seal? A. Biking, fishing, and hiking. B. Rafting, skiing, and parasailing. C. Farming, mining, and hunting.
C.
Multiple choice. Which is the highest point in West Virginia?
Spruce Knob.
Oh, wow. Didn't give us any time there.
Last question.
All right.
Who is the architect who designed the current West Virginia State Capitol building? A. Cass Gilbert.
Cass Gilbert, A.
Dang.
Wow.
I think
Yeah,
that
that was pretty
clear
good.
winner.
There was a clear winner. We won. Thank you.
Yeah.
Congratulations. Well done, all of you. Way to go. Well, that was fun. I even worked up kind of a sweat there. But you confirmed what I suspected, that you are really good at West Virginia history. I think it's incredibly fascinating. And I wish you well on the exam. I know you'll do terrific. So thank you very much for letting me join you today. Should we do a Let's Go Mountaineers? You ready? Yeah. Let's go.
Mountaineers.
All right. Can we do a weekly show together?